Alright, so we're going to talk about graphs and proportional relationships. So focused in just on that first quadrant there. And so for a graph to be proportional, one, it has to go through the origin. So it has to have a point at 0, 0. And it has to go up by a proportional amount, which means it has to form a line. So if I put some dots on here, you'll see that this black line makes a line, so it's proportional. Whereas this red one if I connect those points, I'm getting a curve to that line. So it's not a straight line, so that's not proportional. So in order to be proportional, it has to be a line, and it has to go through the origin. So this black line, we're going up 1 and over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. So our slope of that line would be 1 over 3, so that makes it proportional. Alright, so now I'm just giving you a couple tables, and we have to decide if these are proportional. So let's first look at what our changes are. So if I look at my y's, I'm going to do my change from each one to the next one. So to get from a 4 to 8 is plus 4, to get to an 8 to 10 is plus 2, 10 to 20 is plus 10, 20 to 40 is plus 20. Then I do the same thing for my x's. So 2 to 4 is plus 2, 4 to 5 is plus 1, 5 to 10 is plus 5, and 10 to 20 is plus 10. And then my slope is always my change in y over my change in x. So I put 4 over 2, then 2 over 1, and we'll pick one more, 20 over 10. If you look, all of these reduce down to 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 1 is 2, 20 divided by 10 is 2. So they're all 2, so that makes this proportional. So let's look at the next one. So we have our changes. So 5 to 12 is plus 7, 12 to 18 is plus 6, 18 to 30 is plus 12. Then do the same thing for my x's. 1 to 3 is plus 2, 3 to 4 is plus 1, 4 to 6 is plus 2. So I'll start with the first one, so I'd have 7 over 2. And then the next one would be 6 over 1. And 6 over 1 does not equal 7 over 2. So this is not proportional because my slope is not the same. And they're not going to form a line. If your slope isn't the same, it's not going to form a line, which makes it not proportional. Alright, so now we're given just points on the graph, and we have to decide if they're proportional or not. So we'll start with that black one. So I can connect these points. They do form a line. The problem is they don't go through the origin, so the black line is not proportional. Next we'll do the red one. So again, let's see if we can draw a line. Yes, we can draw a line, but again, that's not going through the origin, even though it formed a line. And let's check the blue one. And that one did go through the origin, so the blue one is proportional. So in order to be proportional, you need two things. You need it to form a line, and you need it to go through the origin.